जय हिंद, नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, प्रणाम इंडिया। तो कैसे हैं आप सब? स्वागत है आपका एनसीसी मित्र में, एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म जो आपको मिलाए आपके सपनों से। माई सेल्फ जसमीत कौर, मैं आई हूँ आपके साथ आपको कुछ और सपनों से मिलाने। आज हम आपको एक 70 साल के एक यंग इंसान से मिलाएंगे, एक ऐसे इंस्पिरेशनल पर्सनालिटी जिनसे मिलके आपको लगेगा, आर यू रियली यंग? सो मीट मिस्टर Devendra Pal, a retired commanding officer at Indian Army. Sir has served Indian Army as an officer since 1967 and retired in 2002. But there is something more interesting. Since last 12 years, Sir is serving as a social worker. Sir, could you please tell me something about yourself?
Thank you. Jai Hind, Vande Matram. Let me introduce myself to you. I am Lieutenant Colonel Devendra Pal Singh, in short, DP Singh, for 33 years in Army in Rajputana Rifles Battalion. I joined Indian Army in 1968 in 2002.
Yes, sir.
And my age is now 71 years. I live alone in Jaipur, Rajasthan since my wife died. Now I will tell you how I started my journey in the army. In 1966, when I joined Hindu College, BA first year, Political Science Honours, NCC was compulsory those days. Every student of first year has to complete 75% of attendance on NCC parade and has to do compulsorily one annual training camp. Second year, it was a voluntary. I left the NCC but kept on thinking about it. After my exams in 68, university exams, I got fed up with the studies. Then I thought that why I should not look for a different career altogether. As a political science student, I knew what I had to do, but then I was again looking for a different type of life, different type of career. So look back in the NCC training which I got in the first year, I applied for. I got the interview call, preliminary interview call. I did the written exam for 2.5 hours.
So I was very curious to know about in how many states have you served so far?
Okay, I will cover that. I got selected from Jabalpur. I will tell you a small incident. Came out and was walking on the road. There was an army unit near around. So we asked and inquired which unit is this. We came to know it is 6th Battalion, the Rajputana Rifles. Out of just sheer enthusiasm, I said that okay, one day I will come and join this battalion. So when I got commissioned, luckily I got posted to Jabalpur again, and in the same battalion which probably I was dreaming. So it was a good luck for me. We stayed for a few months in Jabalpur, then got shifted to Jammu and Kashmir beyond Srinagar. Today it is called Baramulla sector. I fought 71 war in that sector only. I was a commando officer, went deep inside Pakistan territory for my commando activities. From Jammu and Kashmir, I got to came, and from there we went to Dehradun. We stayed for 2 years in Dehradun. I got married in that tenure, and then my posting came in the staff in Jaipur. So I, with my family, came to Jaipur. My battalion went to field area. It came to Jodhpur. So I was shifted from the staff to my battalion back in Jodhpur. From Jodhpur, I went to Leh, Ladakh, a place called Damchok. From Ladakh, my posting came again in the staff to Assam in Tezpur. From Tezpur, I shifted, after completing my tenure, I went to Firozpur back to my battalion. From Firozpur, after a 2.5 years tenure, I went back to Jammu. My battalion was there, so I was in the back to battalion. We stayed for 2 years in Jammu, that is called Sundarbani area. Then I got posted to Ambala. From Ambala, I went to NCC in Azamgarh near Faizabad. After completing my 33.5 year tenure and retired, there was a vacuum for a few days. Then I realized that I joined the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh in 2002 after retirement, and my special interest came out Vanvasi Kalyan Parishad. Vanvasi Kalyan Parishad, they do a lot of social work in their areas, especially like Udaipur belt, Baswada, Bhilwada, in these belts. So I volunteered for Vanvasi Kalyan Parishad and especially took some challenging tasks. They had 26 ashrams where the orphans or handicapped children were accommodated and educated. So I took up the task of visiting all these 26 ashrams, stay put with the children and encourage them, see their education. If they find some difficulty, to help them with the management. And then my family adopted 4 children, education, and in Vanvasi Kalyan Parishad also. My work was very much appreciated. So it all encouraged me to be more social. First, you must look after your own house, then your neighborhood, and then your gully, mohalla, and then your village or whatever.
Really inspiring, sir. So actually, that's inspiring.
Thank you. Thank you.
Do you motivate yourself on a daily basis? Like, as your age is considered, like we youngsters get tired so much. So how do you motivate yourself?
Okay. Since I've lived a disciplined life, that discipline is inculcated in my daily routine. And these are the qualities which motivate me to. So ultimately, you have to make your life disciplined. You have to make your time schedule in your life. That I have to study for 20 minutes, I have to study. Nobody may be watching, nobody is checking you, but you have to obey your own rules. If you are made that I will do at so and so time this thing, then you must obey your own rule. After all, what is this thing by which you make your rules for yourself and you follow them, you obey them. Find out what the help is.
Any special message?
Thank you.
Any special message which you like to give to our
Yes.
viewers?
That one has to think on various subjects other than your textbooks, because a perception has to follow into your life, and perception only comes when you start thinking, not about your books, but on various is made. Then make a schedule for yourself of your routine work. Make rules for yourself. Rules are not for others. You have to follow them. You will do, and it is for your benefit. So follow that schedule, follow that discipline in life, and you will achieve any aim. I agree with you, hard work is required, but mentally you should be determined to do that. Then only nothing is impossible then.
Thank you so much. Actually, I'm really very, very inspired from you, and definitely our viewers will be. So we wish you
Welcome. Thank you very much.
So we wish you good health and good life. Like, so stay cheering like this, and you are actually an inspiration for all of us. Thank you so much, sir.